Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and in this video I'm going to do the review of the Leap Motion controller. This is the Leap Motion controller which you can buy it out on the website, that is leapmotion.com, and this comes with a very large sensor on the top and can be used to control your computer to actually input data in a very different way. Normally you would use a mouse or a keyboard to input the data, but in this case you can actually use this controller to input the data. But considering the features and the demos which were shown before the product launch, you would be actually surprised that the results what you would get after the purchase are actually very bad. We would actually not recommend you to buy this product as of now because it looks like a beta product which is being pushed to all the consumers. I was actually impressed with this product when the company had shown a demo of the Fruit Ninja game being played using the controller, but after purchasing the product it's more like a disaster because the mentioned game is not even available on the store and would be available later on, while there are thousands of users who have actually purchased this unit and are actually waiting for the application to be available for the users. So that is something which is the first negative part of this device. And apart from that, there are not many interesting applications which are even worth trying out for the first time. I did find around 2 to 3 very useful or maybe interesting applications, but then they were again paid applications, and then there's no single application which is available for free and is worth the time. Then I don't think any user would be interested in actually buying a paid application. So that is something you need to make a note of. The orientation part is actually impressive. You may find that the sensor is actually able to find your fingers, and you can it would look great for the type of showing out a demo for someone, but apart from that, what would you do with these kind of demos? There's nothing except if you're doing some kind of crazy movie or some short movie, then if you would like to show some kind of demo, then it's actually useful. But I don't think anything else is possible with this thing. There's also an option of drawing using the controller, but I don't think it works that good. So as you can see, I'm right now showing you the demo of the drawing application. Let me just show you the demo of the same. So here it goes. So it's not as fluid as you can see. It's okay. So you can probably write your name, but it's not as fluid as I mentioned earlier. And you need a lot of practice. So it's more like a beta product which is being available to you, not a final product. And as you can see, the first 8 applications are what which you get by default, which you actually have to install most of this, but again they come available onto the ASpace home. But the sad part is that they're not as good as you can see in the demo also. So you need a lot of practice to actually use them. But if you have actually used the Kinect sensor, you know what an actual sensor would be. That one is actually incredible when you compare it with the Leap Motion. So if you're planning to buy one of these, I would suggest you to wait for the next generation of this product to be out, or probably when the company would have updated the firmware, would have come up with the software part which actually comes with a very good working options, because as of now it's not impressive. And one of the biggest expectation I had was with the Google Earth application, which I was expecting to work in a very great way, but that's not the case, because when I start using this controller for controlling the Google Earth also, it's very hard to control. As you can see here, it's I find it crazy. I am not able to even go to different places or as such, because it starts moving in a very high speed. So it's very hard to control the Google Earth using this controller, but probably you need to give some time. If you have some time to actually try out this controller, then it's worth the time. Apart from that, it's not worth generally. So as you can see right now, again the application has got hanged. That's Google Earth has actually hanged. I don't know, is it because of this controller or some other reason, but that's what you get. So it's not something which is actually very easy to handle, and if you've got some time to try out everything, then it may be worth trying out, but it's not a product which is generally recommended to everyone. So this was a quick overview and a review of the Leap Motion controller. I really hope that the company would come out with the Fruit Ninja game, which was advertised in the part of the initial campaign wherein they had shown the demos, but right now that's also not available in the store, and the company claims in their forums that the application should be available soon in the market. So as of now, I'm not much impressed with this controller. I really hope that some interesting apps would come up and they would be actually very easy to use or control. So if you really want to buy one, you can go ahead and spend some time and try to understand how the products work, and also hope that the company comes out with new software updates. So this was a quick review of the Leap Motion controller. Do like this video if you actually liked my review, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.